how to access archive chats on ChatGPT. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to know how to view archive chats on ChatGPT, you're in the right place. Today I'll walk you through that steps to access those chats easily. So you can either open it on your browser or you can even download the app on App Store or Play Store and then open it. So I have the app installed, so I'll open from the app itself. You'll see an interface like this. What you have to do is click on the two lines on the top left and then you'll get access to all your chats. You can just long tap on any of the chats and then you'll see options like this. So just click on archive, confirm it, click on your name, go to archive chats, and then there you see your archive chats. Now I'll also show you how to do it from your browser. So first open your ChatGPT and then go to the same two lines and then beside your tap on a message and beside it you see three dots, click on it, click on archive and then again click on your name and then go to settings and then go to manage beside the archive chats and then there you can see your archive chats. You can even choose to delete it. And that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching.